something very personal and profound about her. Do you think this phrase is too simple to have an impact wrong? Its true power lies in something. Most overlook the universal need to feel valued when you tell a woman, "I appreciate," followed by a unique detail about her. You're breaking away from the mold of empty compliments everyone else uses. This isn't just "you're pretty" or "I like you," which, let's be honest, no one takes seriously anymore. It's a statement that shows her that not only do you see her, but you've taken the time to observe what makes her special. Listen to these examples. "I appreciate how you always find time to help others." "I appreciate your passion for what you do." Do you see the difference these words have? An emotional impact because they say, "I truly see you." And what I see is extraordinary. Many women feel reduced to their appearance or superficial roles. But this phrase breaks down that barrier by focusing on her character, her actions, her essence. You're telling her she is so much more than what others perceive, from an authentic place. If it sounds fake, you're lost. Make eye contact. Use a sincere tone and a relaxed expression. Listen before speaking. Only then can you identify which unique aspects you can value. This phrase is not just a compliment. It's a key that opens the door to deeper conversations, and that's where true connection happens. Second, phrase number 2, phrase, "I feel lucky to be with you." This isn't just a nice compliment. It's a statement that changes the dynamic of any relationship. Why? Because it directly addresses a deep desire to feel special, unique, and irreplaceable when you tell a woman that you feel lucky to spend time with her. You're not just praising her, you're acknowledging her impact on your life. You're saying your presence is not something I take for granted. Every moment with you is meaningful. This phrase used at the right moment has a lasting effect. Every time she remembers it, it reinforces the idea that she is valued and appreciated in a way no one else has made her feel. After a meaningful conversation, when you've shared important thoughts or emotions during an intimate or special moment, something already charged with emotion, where your words can amplify that moment and reinforce the connection. But be careful, it must be completely genuine. If you sound forced or like you're reciting a script, all impact will be lost. The secret lies in how you convey it. Make eye contact, use a calm and warm tone, and accompany your words with a slight smile. Reflecting sincerity, it's not just about saying it, it's about making her feel it deeply. The result, an emotional connection that transcends words. This phrase goes far beyond a fleeting compliment. It becomes an emotional anchor, a constant reminder of how important she is to you. Every time she thinks of it, she'll feel uniquely valued, leaving a lasting mark on her heart. Phrase number 3, third phrase, "you make everything better." This isn't just a compliment. It's a direct hit to the heart. You're telling her that her essence transforms even the simplest moments of your life into something special. It's an affirmation encapsulating the positive impact she has on you in ways few words can achieve. When a woman hears you make everything better, she isn't receiving just any validation. She hears that her presence carries real weight, that her way of being changes your perspective, even on the toughest days. Why does it work? Why does it go beyond the superficial? It's not just about her appearance or abilities, but everything she is. What you're highlighting is the profound impact she has on your life. You're giving her a leading role in your world, something we all want to feel in a calm moment, without distractions, where both of you are fully present after a significant experience or challenge you've shared. When emotions are high, choosing the right moment not only reinforces how much you value her presence, but also highlights the deep impact she has on your life. Said sincerely, this phrase can become an unforgettable memory. Be authentic or don't do it at all. Now that you know these 3 phrases, I want you to remember something crucial. Their power lies in authenticity. If you use them as tricks or without truly feeling them, they will not only lose their effect, but could have the opposite effect as well. Women have an almost supernatural ability to detect insincerity. That's why these phrases aren't just pretty words. They are tools for creating real connections. The key advice I'm going to give you is this use. These phrases, sparingly repeating them, constantly will make them lose their magic. Let them arise naturally in moments where they truly make sense. Thank you for joining us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share your thoughts in the comments until next time. Good luck with your relationships.